Hello there, it's Gaynor here from Carmarthenshire Libraries, and I'm back to let you know how to win amazing prizes such as theatre tickets, family tickets for your local leisure centre, and even tickets to the Museum of Speed in Pendine. So sign up for the Summer Reading Challenge now!
Marvellous Makers!
What is the Summer Reading Challenge?
The Summer Reading Challenge is one of the UK's biggest reading for pleasure programmes for children aged 4 to 11.
And it's free!
What is this year's theme?
This year, the theme is Marvellous Makers, and it's all about creativity. From dance to drawing, junk modelling to music, there is something for everyone.
When does it start?
The important date to remember is Saturday, July the 6th. In the challenge, you need to join a superstar team and meet their marvellous mascots. Here's introducing
Amelia, Charlie, Kai, Layla and Yasmin, Maya, Riley. How can I take part?
To take part in the Summer Reading Challenge, you need to be a library member. Joining the library is so easy. Just take a parent or carer along to the library and bring some form of ID with you. One of our friendly library staff members will sign you up for free, and you can start borrowing books straight away.
What happens next?
Now you can sign up to the Summer Reading Challenge. You'll receive a Marvellous Maker co-pack folder. Each time you visit the library, you'll receive special prizes and incentives to help you on your way.
How many books do I need to read?
10 books, 20 books, 30 books. Well, it's actually 6. Yes, just 6 books. Of course, you could always read much more than 6. And yes, you could read all types of books, such as
Fiction books, fact books, picture books. Can I take part online?
Yes, you can take part online. All you have to do is sign up at summerreadingchallenge.org.uk. Each time you finish a book, you can add it to your online profile. Along the way, you'll unlock digital badges and online rewards. You can also play games, enter competitions, and share book recommendations too. So why should you take part in the Summer Reading Challenge?
The Summer Reading Challenge is a fantastic initiative. It's something we've been taking part in at the school for many years. The children always come back with a huge smile on their face after the holidays and are so eager to share with us the amount of books that they've read, and obviously they get a wonderful prizes out of it as well. So take part this year as well.
In the summer holidays, there's no school, so it's a great chance for us to carry on reading and learning.
Almost every year, me and my little brother take part in the Summer Reading Challenge. I love reading because it's a lot better than just being on electronics all day. Last year, I read almost 20 books instead of 12, so I got a medal.
Me and my brother have taken part in the Reading Challenge nearly every year and really enjoyed it every time. I take part in the Reading Challenge because it's a fun thing to do over the summer holidays, and I love reading and taking part. It's really special to me because it helps me carry on with my reading skills over the summer holidays. What do I get at the end of the challenge?
When you reach your goal, you'll receive a certificate and a medal. Your teachers will be delighted when you take in your certificate to school at the end of the summer holidays, and they may hold a special assembly to congratulate you. Every school participating in the challenge is in with a chance of being awarded the Carmarthenshire Libraries Summer Reading Challenge Shield for 2024.
Can I get anything else?
Yes, you really can. There's a family ticket from Carmarthenshire Theatres for shows at the Miners Theatre, the Furnace Theatre and the Lyric Theatre. And if that's not enough, the Museum of Speed in Pendine have offered a special visitor ticket too. Your name will be placed in a lucky dip, so wishing you good luck with that. There will be also family tickets for fun days at Carmarthenshire Leisure Centres. For more information about the Summer Reading Challenge, go to the Carmarthenshire Libraries website. Make sure you follow the Carmarthenshire Libraries Facebook page and our X account for more information about free summer events. Sign up to be a member of the Marvellous Makers. Let's make this the best summer reading challenge ever!
Marvellous!